go. Hello and welcome to Cursive Writing for Lefties. Today we're going to do cursive letter S. So let's get ready. Tilt your paper, lefties. You have to tilt your paper in order for your letters to come out better. Okay, right-handed people, they don't have to really do that. Just us lefties. Okay? Now, I'm going to keep my paper straight as always so that you can see what we're doing. Don't forget to hold your pencil between the first 3 fingers. All right. Now making my slant lines to remember to slant my letters. Cursive S. Capital. Starts at the bottom red line. You go up at a slant to the right. Then you make a loop at the top blue line. Then you come down and you make your curve at the bottom red line. Come up and make your smiley face. That's how we make capital cursive S. Okay? Let's do that again from the bottom red line. You slant up to the right. Make your loop. Come down to the red line and make your happy face across that. Okay, I didn't come down quite far enough. Okay, so let's do it again. Bottom red line, slant up to the blue line, make a loop, come down to the red line, cross that first line you made, and do your smiley face. Go up, slant up to the loop, to the blue line, make your loop, curve down, make your smiley face. Okay, let's do it again. Slant up to the blue line, make your loop, come down at the red line, curve around and make your smiley face. Do it again. Curve up. Make a loop. Come down to the red line. Curve around and make your smiley face. Do it again. Make your loop. Slant up. Make your loop. Come down at the red line and make your smiley face. Okay, let's keep going. Ooh, look at that mistake. It's okay. We'll keep going. Okay. Now, as you can see, this one slants a lot better than this one did. I took my time with this one, not so much with that one. So when you take your time, it's going to come out better. Make sure you're doing your slants, because when they slant, all your letters are slanting in the same direction. It looks a lot better on paper. Okay? Now, lowercase cursive S. Those look better. Those are my slanty lines to remind me. And lowercase cursive S is like this. Slant up from the red line to the dotted blue line. Curve out. Meet the line where you first started. And swing out. actually make your tail. Start from the red line, slant up to the dotted blue line, go down, curve around on the red line, trace back out, and make your tail. Up to the dotted blue line, curve down to the red line, meet that line, come back around and make your tail. Up to the dotted blue line, curve down, meet that line, curve back, trace back around and make your tail. Okay, keep going to the end of the line. You want to make sure that you make your letters as big as the space in between the lines. Okay, some people do this. Some people do this. Would that be correct? No. It's not correct because it's not big enough. You have these 3 lines that you have to make them as big as those 3 lines. Okay? The dotted blue line is the midpoint line. It helps you to know exactly how big your letters are supposed to be. Okay? Keep making them. Okay, so those are cool. Actually, cursive S is also one of my favorite cursive letters. Okay, so we've gone through all the alphabet up to letter S. So make sure you're practicing, especially how to make your letters slant. You want to make sure you practice your slants. All right, and there's no other letters that look like letter S except for the smiley face. And those letters that have the smiley face are letters that we've done before. And they are B with its smiley face. And then you have G, so those are the 2 that we have so far that also have a smiley face. Well, letter I also has a smiley face, but it starts with a smiley face. Okay? So make sure you practice all of your letters. When you see the relationship between them, that makes it easier for you. That's why I show you the letters that have the same strokes, because it helps you to understand more about what you're trying to do. So practice your S's, capital and lowercase, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.